Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Goodness Herbert again. I hope you enjoy this video. Stay tuned. He's still struggling, guys. And his head and tail has been cut off. Are you seeing this?
Uncle put inside fire, he was shaking.
He's dead, but he doesn't want to enter fire. In Ahokwa. See how he's struggling.
He's struggling. Very
yes.
Jesus.
He's still struggling, doesn't want to.
Before he got died, they had. Because of the heart.
He's still struggling, guys. No head, no tail. He doesn't want to die. He's so not dying easily. It has said, I'm not gonna die easily.
So don't off my fire.
He quenched fire.
This
is snake.
Do I'm that you go abram.
The snake is still struggling for his life.
Yes.
Come out of the fire.
You don't quench him again.
Uche,
I know the person.
this thing
Snake
is
is strong.
this guy is
Strong.
Yeah. It has calmed down. There are 4 seats. Try to dry it.
this is our killer.
This is my uncle.
This snake chopper.
when we were unable to kill it, this guy make the thing to become cool and quiet.
This guy.
Oh God.
Now,
after being roasted a little, it's no longer alive. It's not
like if he's pregnant, what they come out the head. And then he now escape to the forest. He cannot go there. Okay, because there's no mouth. There's no mouth. There's no mouth because there's no mouth to vomit the child. But just to give birth through their mouth.
Uncle, that Shelly, is this snake not pregnant? It looks pregnant.
When we open it, we will know.
Uncle, Shebi snakes used to give birth through their mouth.
No.
How?
This type of snake. I don't know. Okay, this one will lay eggs.
And but
Is the fluid from the snake. We don't know what if it is.
this snake fat. See that yellow thing?
Abara.
So that's the only place that is blood. It's not be animal. My God, yeah.
Do you know how long it died? I say it's not animal.
It's not, how will you know how long it died? Why he was still alive when I brought it?
No. She's saying did not remove a lot of blood. I'm like, okay, so when you cut the head, blood came out.
Not the head. This is the head I'm cutting now.
No. That time when you removed the head,
My hair now.
blood came out now.
Yes, now.
So I'm telling her that. Imo State and Abia State is not even far.
It's not.
It's not far.
Yeah. They were together now.
Okay, that I went to. That's Imo State already.
We were in Imo now. This university was the University of Imo State.
Yes.
After
So that what happened.
But Imo State cannot have 2 universities. So
No. But we have 2 universities now.
Yes. But
In
that
Uto,
time,
not
Abia
even
did not have
Wow.
university. That's why they
Shebi
had
is
to
that George
divide.
University.
I heard that so that we can have university. That's why they made this side.
No. They divided the state. And this thing had to fall near this thing.
Uncle, is this the intestine?
Yes, that's the only what is there.
Look at me.
So
All these things is
you
me.
were saying you swallow something. I told you no. Because that is any other snake lays egg. Otherwise they die.
This is equivalent to small chicken now.
Confirm.
People should come and see now. They have removed this is the intestine. This thing is full of meat, no bone.
That's not for you.
Not all snakes.
Like that's this
Meaty
side.
snakes. A nutritious snake. Ooh.
Yeah.
Wow. I know that this is the shape of snake meat, Sha. When I watch one vlog, one Oyinbo man came to
Uncle,
Lagos.
where is onions? That's what we're supposed to be doing. Onions, pepper, all these things.
It's not now they are doing it.
That would be.
We are drying it because he cannot eat fresh meat.
Yes.
That would be later now. Sorry.
The bone is biscuit bone.
Yes.
This is the only single bone. That's it.
Like
Other
fish. I've seen a video where they're eating it.
It's still hot because they roast it.
Mommy?
Uncle, see full bowl of meat.
There's nothing. You are saying you say
Wow, Uncle.
you say
See what Uncle did. Two of them fly inside the bowl by themselves.
This
I
one
ate
also.
pig meat. I take my knife in my.
Pour Uncle water.
Make
it die on. Snake, make it die on. So everything in the snake is meat though. Cindy, allow me to video. Kwana.
See that bitter thing, Uncle?
This one. Bitter thing, where is this?
See
Does
that
he have gall? He has
Uncle,
gallbladder.
Uncle, this thing is like fat though.
Everything. I tell you.
This one will make the pepper soup. Pori.
Uncle, you have gallbladder.
Yes, that's it.
What of insects?
Yes.
Yes, I see. Until this thing eating me.
Insect.
Careful.
Snake is
I
reptile.
know it's Italian. But
Hello. Yes, my dear. Good is attached to it. My own, even if you say good evening, I take it to be a witch. Yeah. Okay, go ahead, sir.
All meat. I don't know. I don't know who's watching. So people might not like to sit down.
It looks
Uncle, let's not swallow it. Let's use rice and eat it.
No, we'll do sauce now. Pepper and onions.
leaves.
And now with rice.
Get it done that way.
It's a black the water.
It's smoke now.
Yes, no.
Oh, the meat is soft.
But this is
That's the hard skin.
Okay, but the inside place is soft.
hard.
Wonderful.
Very, very hard one.
The skin, right?
Uncle, those things you throw inside the fire, they are doing papa.
That's what they should. They will not profit us. This thing crack out.
The skin is very hard. Oh.
Hey.
So this is where he landed. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So I will end this video here. I don't know.